1, 2, 3, come on!
Hello everyone. Today's question is from the chapter Quadratic Equation. Exercise 4.4, second main, first question. Here it is the question. Find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equation so that they have two equal roots. So we have to find out the value of k for each of the following quadratic equation. It means they have already said that the given equation is a quadratic itself. Okay, you don't need to find out that whether it is a quadratic or not. Okay, so directly we can easily assume that the given equation is a quadratic. So that they have two equal roots means the given equation is having two equal roots. So two equal roots, that is the key point for us. Okay, so let us take the question. The question is like this: 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equals to 0. So 2x plus kx plus 3 is equals to 0. It's in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Thus is the standard form of a quadratic equation. We already know that. Okay, so here whenever if you are going to find out the value of k for the given quadratic equation, okay, so you must know the roots are equal or greater than or less than 0. How? We have already know that discriminant, the name called as discriminant. So if you don't know, you have to check the previous video, so then you will come to know. So here it is: in a quadratic equation the discriminant is greater than 0. If the discriminant is greater than 0, two distinct real roots we are going to get. Two distinct means it is nothing but different roots. If discriminant is equals to 0, then I will get two equal roots. If it is less than 0, there are no roots. Okay, so now by the question we come to know that two equal roots. So two equal roots means then we can easily assume that a discriminant is equals to 0. So discriminant. So what is that discriminant? So as we know that discriminant is nothing but b square minus 4ac, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, so now as he said two equal roots means the discriminant is 0, isn't it? Okay, so let us take discriminant is 0 equals to, what is the value of b? What is the value of b means you can easily observe here. So b means it is nothing but plus k. So it means I can take it as k whole square minus 4 into a. The value of a it is 2. Okay, so into value of c, so that is nothing but plus 3. Don't forget the sign. If there is a negative, you have to take a negative. Okay, so the value of c is 3. Now 0 equals to k square minus 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. Take this one into left hand side. So then minus 24 will become plus 24 is equals to k square. Okay, so now here there are two methods are there to solve this. Like how means, so we can square on both the square on both the side, not square, actually the square roots. So easily if you can understand, just send the square into the left hand side, it will become as a square root. In that way you can easily remember. So then it will become square root of 24. K is equals to square if we send into the left hand side. Similarly, if square root if we send into the right hand side, it will become square. It's just a blind method. So there is a method of multiplying square roots on both the sides. Easily you can remember like this. And k is equals to square root of 24. Here we already know that it's a quadratic equation. So there are two roots. That's why we are going to take plus or minus square root of 24. Therefore, so k is equals to, so plus or minus square root of 24. Okay, so here it is plus or minus. Is it plus or minus? We'll get it's an equal roots, right? So in the question itself, yes, given that it's an equal real roots. Okay, so that's why we can take it as only a positive 1. Okay, so therefore negative we are always going to reject, right? So therefore k is equals to, so plus 24. So you can simplify this one. Like how means, so you can write this square root of 24 into like 4 6 you can write now. 4 6 are 24. 4 if I took into the outside means, so then it will become, so k is equals to, so 2 root 6. This is the final simplifications. Okay, so the roots are 2 root 6. Equal roots means definitely you will get 2 root 6 and 2 root 6. Clear? Yeah, okay. Thank you.